Are you shopping around for replacement windows and want something that's energy efficient? Well, in this video, we will outline 2 questions to look at to determine the energy efficiency of a window. By the end, you'll understand window energy ratings and be able to decipher the energy efficiency of a window. Then, you can find the right replacement windows that will meet your needs for improving the energy efficiency of your home. Hi, I'm Rebecca, and welcome to the Home Solutions channel. When you think about the energy efficiency of a window, it can seem like an overwhelming topic. So, what specifically defines how energy efficient a replacement window is? To determine how energy efficient a window is, you will want to look at 2 big questions pertaining how the window performs. They are, how well does the window block heat? And how well does the window insulate your home? Number 1, how well does the window block heat? The biggest indicator that a window is energy efficient is if it blocks solar heat and harmful UV and infrared rays. When sun heat and solar rays are able to penetrate through a window, it heats up the interior of your home and can damage what's inside. To know how well a window can do this, you will want to look at 3 energy rating measurements: the solar heat gain coefficient, the UV percentage, and the infrared percentage. These energy ratings all have to do with heat and how well a window blocks solar heat, UV rays, and infrared rays. When analyzing these ratings, you want to look for low numbers. The lower the number on the rating of the window, the less heat and rays penetrate through the window. This means that your home is not only staying cool during the summer, but you, your furniture, and the interior of your home is protected against harmful rays that are damaging. Number 2, how well does the window insulate your home? A window covers a large opening in the frame of your home. If that opening is not sealed tightly with a high-quality window, then your home is susceptible to air escaping and passing in and out of your home. How well a window can insulate tells you how well that window will protect and maintain the internal temperature of your home. To measure how well a window can insulate, there are 2 ratings to look at: the air infiltration rating and the U factor. If you want an energy efficient window that will keep your home insulated, look for a low air infiltration rating and a low U factor. The better a window can insulate, the more energy efficient it makes your home. If a window is not a good insulator, it is not protecting your home. Now you know the 2 crucial questions to consider to find energy efficient replacement windows for you. The 2 biggest indicators that a window is energy efficient are if it blocks heat and harmful rays and insulates your home. Always remember, the lower the energy rating when it comes to these factors, the better the window will be for your home. Another factor that could affect the energy efficiency of a window is the glass type. To help you understand all the differences in window glass, we linked an article down below that outlines 6 window glass types to help you choose the right glass for your new energy efficient windows. Thank you so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.